Hey everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood hypnotist here, Joe Dinsdale from Secret Success Hypnosis Clinic. Yeah, I do apologize for disappearing for about 3 months there. There's a lot of stuff happening outside of the hypnosis realm, but let me tell you, I am back better than before and have a lot of hypnosis ideas coming up in the near future. The first thing I wanted to try out was this really cool gift I received, which is a camera stabilizer. That's right. It is very kind of reminds me of, the way chickens move their necks. It stabilizes the camera really well, and it kind of reminded me a little bit of a pendulum. So, what I thought we could try today was have you, the audience, be the pendulum. Now, of course, I don't know how well this will work. This will be a little secret success hypnosis type experiment where you guys can report in the comments down below how effective it was, things that could improve it, and any future ideas for hypnosis. I've been getting a lot of different comments. So, for example, the videos that are going to be coming out in the near future, I'd like to do a tinnitus one. I'd like to do more anxiety release videos. I think there was a few. Oh man, I was reading them the other day. I can't remember the other ones, but there was a lot of great ideas. And if you guys have left a comment that I haven't done yet, please feel free to leave it again in the comments down below. But for now, welcome back. I'm super excited to be back. I missed you guys. And let's give this pendulum a go, shall we? Don't mind the close up there. I was trying to keep that out of the shot. Okay, so I'm going to try staring at the camera here. Let's just try gentle swing back and forth. And perhaps you can imagine that you are a pendulum, swinging back and forth, back and forth. And as you watch me moving back and forth, I'd like you to gently move your body too with the camera, whether it be just your head or your whole body. Just begin to rock slowly, back and forth. That's right, back and forth. And perhaps this reminds you a little bit of the relaxing feeling you had from when you were a kid, being rocked back and forth by your parents, back and forth, more and more relaxed, more and more at ease, feeling good, feeling calm and at peace, letting any background noise bring you even deeper into relaxation. And when I count from 1 to 3, I'd like you to close your eyes down, close them down, and drift ever deeper, deeper and deeper down into relaxation. listening only to my voice. Any distracting sounds in the background brings you even deeper down, deeper and deeper down. Very good. Perhaps you are wondering just how soon I will begin to count down. And let me tell you, it will happen very soon. So just let your eyes begin to feel a little heavier, a little more at ease, a little more relaxed. Very good. Take some deep breaths in. 3, eyes feeling heavy. 2, eyes heavier and heavier. And 1, drift all the way down, keeping those eyes closed, and relax into a deep, gentle trance, almost as if you are a pendulum that has escaped the constant swinging back and forth. You sit still. Your mind is still. Your soul is still. Hear that silence and embrace it. Allow it to grow. Become one with silence. Become one with peace. Become one with tranquility. Allow yourself to fully rest, whatever that looks like to you. Interpret that however you choose, and you find you can simply do it. You are one with silence. You are one with peace. You are one with tranquility. Notice how much lighter you feel, having given yourself the space to simply be, to simply let go and be here in this moment. To to not feel as though you are being swung back and forth, constantly in motion, constantly pushing ahead. You are here with me, at peace with your thoughts, enjoying each and every word as it helps you drift just a little further down into relaxation. Very good. Now you can make a promise to yourself to slow down a little bit today. To think gently. To take things one step at a time. And to push forward. To follow your dreams and your heart, wherever they may lead you. Very good. Now in a moment, I will snap my fingers and you will open your eyes, feeling stilly relaxed, out of hypnosis and ready to face the day 5, coming out of hypnosis, 4, back into the room, 3, move those fingers and toes, 2 and 1, eyes open, feeling calm and relaxed. Well, my little pendulums, I hope everybody feels relaxed and at ease. Let me know in the comments down below if you found this an effective technique. Because as you know, here at Secret Success Hypnosis Clinic, we like to learn more and more about hypnosis and hypnotherapy. And very soon, when I become a psychotherapist, we're going to be introducing a bit more topics along that route as well and how it pertains to hypnosis. So with that, happy April 1st. I hope nobody got pranked too badly. And if you did, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Anyways, that's me, Jo Dinsdale, Secret Success Hypnosis Clinic, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.